Hey there, in today's video, we're going to address a common problem that many Selenium users are facing. The issue arises when trying to run Selenium scripts after Chrome has been updated to version 1.27. Suddenly, errors start popping up because the browser now requires users to select a default search engine every time it's launched. Quite the headache, right? Let's dive into how we can solve this problem together. So, the solution to this problem is actually quite simple. All you need to do is add a specific Chrome option to your Selenium script. By including the line codeoptions.add arguments, disable search engine choice screen, code, you'll be able to bypass the default search engine selection screen that's causing all the trouble. It's a quick and effective fix that will save you a lot of time and frustration. Now, if you're working with Selenium in Python, you'll want to slightly tweak the code snippet. Instead, make sure to use codeoptions.add _ argument disable search engine choice screen code. This adjustment ensures that the Chrome option is properly set in your Python script, allowing you to seamlessly run your Selenium tests without any interruptions. To wrap things up, today we tackled a common issue faced by Selenium users following the latest Chrome update. By adding the provided Chrome options to your scripts, you can easily bypass the default search engine selection screen and get back to smooth test automation. I hope this solution was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Happy coding!